Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick update on Heather. She had her follow-up appointment with the specialist. She's actually not doing too well today. She's sort of like an up and down type roller coaster situation. She ran out of her meds. I think it was called gabapentin. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that stuff. She hates taking any type of medication, let alone vitamins. She has to take vitamins every day. I take vitamins every day, but any type of additional medication, she hates taking it. But unfortunately, she is. The follow-up appointment didn't go as planned. Well, we were hoping to get answers, and we didn't get any answers really. Basically, to sum it up, it's going to be like her new norm. So when she starts feeling like crap, basically when her head's pounding and she's got those lightning bolts hitting up on the top of her, right side of her head, she's got to take this medicine, and it really it knocks her out. So she's pretty much down for the count today. She's not going to be in today's video. I was trying to get her to come out for just a little bit, but she's just not feeling it, guys. So to be honest with you, she's been doing really good, but then she'll just have like a day here and there. She's just down. Sucks. Hate seeing her like that. In other news, guys, we're doing a mod today. A mod that you suggested. We are going to delete something on this car. They call it the fishbowl effect. It's going to happen today. And yes, you guys have spoken. I heard you. I see you in the comments. These yellow protectors will be getting removed. Probably not going to do them today. Okay, hello, helicopter. This thing looks like a Magnum PI. For all you old heads out there, it looks like one of those Magnum PI helicopters. It actually looks like it had the same paint theme and all. So we're gonna do the fishbowl delete, something I do with all my vehicles. And you guys suggested it, we're gonna get her done. And like I said, those yellow protectors are definitely coming off. Not today though. I'm sort of exhausted. I worked all day. We've been renovating our PD, and it's been a lot of work, a lot of manual work. Actually drove me to the chiropractor on Monday because I threw my back out. Just one thing after another. But I'm gonna get them off, just not today. It's gonna happen, maybe in the next video. Actually, we might have the beast in the next video. We got some stuff planned for Belle too. She's going back to the dyno. We're gonna do a review on that S&B cold air induction, give you my opinion, see what shows on the dyno with pulls in 5th gear, where we've been doing our pulls pretty consistently. So, we're limited to that speed limiter of, getting accurate numbers. But if we do it consistent pulls in the same gear, you sort of can get an idea. It's not going to be the actual max horsepower that truck can put out, but you're going to see the differences in power from these added mods that we did. So without further ado, let's get to Colbert's in Thorndale, Pennsylvania, and visit our good old friend Randy. All right, guys, we're out at Colbert's Auto Care, Thorndale, Pennsylvania. Yes, the guys that always take care of all my tinting. We are deleting the fishbowl effect, effective immediately. It's going down. Out with Randy again. He is the master. He is old school. He doesn't do it the way most shops do it. With it automatically, they have the machine that cut out the inserts for the tint.
Yep, computer plotters.
Old school method right here, guys. You don't find that anymore today. So we're gonna kill it. It's gonna look good. Because I was driving to work this morning, traveling eastbound, and that sun was killer on my eyes. My eyes are so sensitive, guys. I have a prescription for this. So just letting you know. I have very, very sensitive eyes. But
huge dot matrix pattern.
What's that?
That is a huge dot matrix pattern at the top.
Do we feel it though? Is it like the truck? Fingers crossed. Oh, no, it is actual.
That is.
Bummer.
It's okay.
It's okay?
It's okay. We have a fix for that.
We're in good hands.
Look at the back of the Mustang.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't that look a lot better?
Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. I have total faith and confidence in you, Randy. 100%.
Things I know. Yeah, we might not do tint. We might do the vinyl instead on the dot matrix pattern.
Okay.
Which would require an additional step and you coming back for that.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna try the tint and see how it sticks. If it doesn't stick, we can cut it off And then after the 3 days when the tint dries, you can come back and put the piece of vinyl on.
The truth of the matter is, guys, he just wants to have me back here.
Can't get enough of Steve. No, I want this thing to look right.
All right, bye. I have another one though.
Well, guess what, Steve? This stays nice and big. This goes right up here.
You should just keep it there.
Yeah,
Just keep it there. Yeah. I got other ones. I got 2 more.
Nice little spot here. Now everybody that walks in here can read this.
Yeah. So we got Nick here, who is a local and subscriber of the channel. I said that kind of backwards, but you guys know what I mean. Really cool to see local support for the channel. We don't get a lot of that. Most of it's Texas and
Really?
New York. Texas, New York. Not a lot of Pennsylvania.
Huh.
But it's funny, like people from other states, they're like, I knew you were from Philly from your accent. Didn't know I had an accent.
No, we don't, do we?
Yeah.
Roll that cinematic footage.
All right, here we go, guys. Back windows, side windows are all done. And now we're to the, some of you guys call this the drop. We call it the brow, sun visor, whatever you want to call it. We're coming up with, we want to know how far should we go down? Like, Shane, this isn't live, so you guys can give us your input.
Right, I would appreciate that.
The AS1 line's right there. So that's kind of high, it would look really dinky and it really wouldn't benefit me driving. My sight line's probably gonna be around here. If we drop it right there to that, right where the mirror is, it's gonna bring it way low. So we're not gonna go that low. So I'm thinking, what do you think, couple inches up on the mirror? All right.
You tell me, it's your world, I'm just tickling it.
Man, I don't know. I guess we can lay it across and see how ignorant it looks.
That's what we're gonna do.
Right.
That's exactly what I was gonna do.
I know we said it before in other videos. What type of tint do you guys use here?
We use Johnson window films and Solar Guard, both lifetime warranty films.
And the good thing about this film, guys, and here at Colbert's, lifetime warranty. You have an issue with this tint, you're covered. They're gonna take care of you. Isn't that so?
Absolutely.
Sometimes Randy will come to a random garage and take care of you as well.
Absolutely.
He's done that for me.
You will never find customer service like you do here. I will go out of my way.
We were scrambling for a show prep for Motorama, and Randy actually came out to Chester County Transmissions and hooked us up, popped my bubble.
Yes, I remember popping your bubble.
And this is the most beneficial part of doing tint for me personally, is this brow, because the sun is blinding, and I didn't even have my sunglasses this morning and I was squinting. But yeah, Randy, I can tell you right now, that's way too ignorant for my liking.
You act like half the windshield.
Yeah.
That's it's literally like half the windshield.
Do you want me to grab you one side and help pull it up? That's a little bit.
A little more acceptable.
Yeah, I almost think we could go a little bit lower. We're pretty high up, man. That's a big curve on that windshield.
I told you.
Holy hell. I think we get out a little bit more, maybe like an inch. About 11. Whew, pretty much on the
Almost like we know what we're doing.
Yeah, right. Honestly, I don't think I don't want to go any lower than that. I think that's going to be too ignorant.
You're a lot taller too.
Yeah. He was doing the back windows. He did not have to take the door panel apart. He was able to do it without removing any of this and just using, what'd you use?
Greatest tools ever.
Oh, your hands.
Where all the magic comes from.
It's where all the magic happens. And on the back here, guys, those solar dots are, what it, matrix?
Dot matrix.
Dot matrix.
Yes.
Really can't tell, it's so dark, but we'll see how that dries up. If it doesn't look good after it's dry, Randy said he's gonna cut a section out and he's gonna put some vinyl in on top there, make it look good, clean. But you really can't see it.
No, it does look good.
Yeah, it does look good. But seeing it in the garage, guys, it's just not doing it justice. So we're gonna have to take this thing outside and do a before and after reveal. I mean, right?
Absolutely.
It's the only right thing to do, right, Randy? Dude, what a difference. Seriously, that is the perfect height. My sight line is like right here. It's gonna block the sun. Man, this car needed it. My eyes were screaming. Like, I was squinting, covering my eyes, put my hand up here, had this thing down, then this, look at that, that's blocking way too much. Even if I put it all the way up, it was horrible. But man, and you can still see out here. You can still see. These are 20%, a lot lighter than the back. In the back we went 5%, but still, it's decent. You can still see out these windows. Just enough to make the car look good and keep my sanity when I'm driving down the road. So 11 inches, guys, 11 inches for your visor, brow, drop, whatever you want to call it. It's perfect height. Any lower than that, that's gonna look, you go a half inch there, it's gonna be like 2 inches down here. It's just the drop, the angle of it and the curvature of the windshield. Don't want to do that. You don't want it way down there. And it's just gonna draw unwanted attention to yourself. So this is perfect. Guys, there she is. Well, there he is. I keep getting it confused. It's not a she, it's a he. It's Gaston. Do you know the name of this car? So we got the Beast, which is the 2500, Belle, the 1500, and this is Gaston.
Oh, this is Gaston, you've named it.
Oh yeah,
now
yeah.
You gotta keep it.
Oh yeah, we gotta keep it. We named it. But I think we did good. I think we did good on the brow, guys. It's not that ignorant, and it serves the purpose. I like it.
It does look good.
Dude, it looks sick.
Yeah.
Randy, seriously, thank you for getting me in today. I know you stayed past your shift.
Anytime.
Yeah, killed it as always. If you guys are looking to get your car tinted or detailed or have any accessories installed, make sure you hit up my guy Randy, Corbert's Auto Care here in Thordale, Pennsylvania. He's been taking care of me for a long time. I know I tell you guys that all the time, but he has. I won't trust anyone else to tint my car, ever. I just officially made this car mine last week, and here we are. You know?
Now it's named and tinted and everything.
Yep. Yeah, it looks good, dude. Really, it needed it. The subscribers were saying that right away. The first reveal video, they were saying it, hey, you need to tint this thing, and boy, what a difference.
Side markers.
Yeah, that too. I said that too. I said the side markers gotta go. We've gotta smoke those things.
Yeah, let's tint those.
Supposedly Oracle, my subscribers, you guys always hooking me up with the awesome advice, said Oracle makes it. I actually researched it, they do. They're expensive, but they make them. Smoked, you can get them actually paint matched. So I don't know which route I'm going to go, but I'm definitely doing something with them because they look ugly.
Yeah.
And yes, the yellow's coming off the front, even though Randy said keep it.
I like it.
Randy likes it. I'm going to take it off. Gonna have to do it. But
they have some yellow, right?
It's got a little bit of yellow in the emblems, but I'm still on the fence about taking them off too. I don't know. I might take them off. I think we're gonna definitely lose this across the back.
You gonna tint this too?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Definitely.
Black that out.
For sure.
Which ones are the reverse lids?
Right there, yeah.
We can tape that off and leave that.
Keep them, yeah. Okay. All right. See? Coming back real soon then, guys. Naturally. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you tap, smash, do something to that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, ding, ding. We love you. We'll see you on the next upload. Go ahead, smash the camera.
Thank you guys. Thanks for watching us here. Don't forget, Culver's Car Care, only place for window tint.
Yup, and I'll have their information in the video description. As always important stuff down there. All right, smash the camera. Smash it. Bam! You got hit.
Oh, actually hit it?